When deciding on the communication architecture for a new project, is a traditional wired solution always the best choice? Communication architectures often face issues with cabling limitations such as lack of mobility, signal limitations, or wire breakages. But nowadays, with smart manufacturing demands for flexible production facilities and the digitalization opportunities knocking at the door every day, these limitations are increasingly becoming more and more evident. Solutions like industrial communication protocols or specialized cable materials strive for less cables and longer lifetimes to help reduce these problems. But instead of reducing the problem, why don't we just eliminate it altogether? Well, I'm sure you all understand and enjoy the benefits of wireless in your personal life, but reliability, robustness, reduced delays are really key points when talking about production environments, don't you think? So, what if we had a wireless architecture specifically designed for the communication needs of actuators and sensors in the industrial environment? Well, the good news I can bring today is SMC can give you a reliable, robust and efficient wireless communication specifically designed for the control of actuators and sensors. Thousands of customers from multiple sectors all around the world are experiencing these benefits, including robot cabling, rotary machines, moving devices, modular and flexible processes, and digitalization projects. The list is endless. From now on, you can join this trend and embrace the benefits that this technology can bring to you. Use SMC Wireless technology within your digital architecture and get rid of the cabling issues and limitations. Contact SMC and let's discuss how to bring all these benefits to your application.